Good morning, Oreo. Good morning, Oreo. Dis bonjour, Oreo. Does Oreo want his ball? What? 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 Oh. No barking. No barking. I'm going to throw it. Or pretend I'm going to throw it. Go get it. Where is it? Where is it? Who has it? Where's the ball, Oreo? Oh, he knows. He's not stupid.
Did you budget for a home?
Where is it?
That doesn't count. And you'll need to pay for better legal advice than your friend Tiffany's.
Where is it?
How do you know how much a house really costs? BMO's First Home Essentials is a complete first-time buyer's guide.
See, there it is. So let's take it and pretend we're going to throw it. Go! Where is it? Where is it, Oreo? Where is it?
You'll receive free banking for 5 years. Also, get up to $1,000 cash back. It could come in handy for renovations. BMO's First Home.
It's not on the table. It's not on the table. You're going backwards, doing the moonwalk. Where is it? Where is it? Oreo.
Get real volume. Get new Garnier Fructis Body Boost. A volumizing system boosted with active fruit concentrate and ginseng. It doesn't just lift at the root. The Body Boost lightweight formula strengthens.
Oh, there he got it. Yay! 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 Okay, let's get the sock and let's show everybody how you shake it. You gonna shake it? Here, shake it. Shake it. Figures. Shake it. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
You're watching HGTV.